Today, I thought I would do a really quick demo on the Galvanic Spa. Obviously, if you look at me, this is not my usual self. I have some dark circles here. My face is a little bit puffy because I haven't done Galvanic Spa for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a half face demo before I go into my meeting tonight with my partners. This baby right here. Guys, I don't know about you, but for me, I would never, ever travel without this thing, or basically live without this thing ever again. Why? Because back then I used to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars just to go to salons for them to massage my face, to detox my face, to make sure that I have a V face. So these days, if you're stuck at home and you don't have anywhere to go, why not get this item right here, which is called the Galvanic Spa. And I'm gonna do a half face demo. So I know my face is a bit puffy right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the before and after. Pre-treatment gel, treatment gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get that opened. And of course, if you have some lymph nodes problems like me, this is where you should just really, if you take a look right here. So this part, if you were to push that up and hold it, you will see instant lift. Which is why when people tell me, Paula, I don't want to get a Galvanic Spa because it's too expensive. I want to get a Galvanic Spa because I won't have the diligence to use it. I just want to say though, like, if you're somebody who already asked me about the Lumi Spa or the Galvanic Spa, chances are you care about the way you look. And if you care about the way you look, then I really think this is probably the best solution for you, because it's just like brushing your teeth every morning. Get it done for 5 minutes, just like I've done in front of you. It's the most powerful, clinically proven home device you can possibly own to rejuvenate your skin, your hair. And of course, it is so easy to use. You just have to use these conductive gels on your face. You see how everything is just much more uplifted? Here, also higher. Here's a little pudgy right here versus here, right? I look much younger on one side. It's really insane. You don't want to miss out on this Galvanic Spa package, trust me. DM me, or if you have any more questions, comment below and I will be able to come back tomorrow to answer your questions. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I gotta go to my meeting now with my teammates in Hong Kong. Bye guys, take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.